Suprabhatam and Namaste. My name is Kamal Rauniyar and I'm a Vedic maths teacher. The purpose of Vedic maths is basically to teach our children, even grown-ups, to do mathematical operations in one line, literally. Very often it will be done mentally, and that way they can save themselves a lot of chances of making mistakes. Vedic maths does everything in a very comprehensive way, a very logical and scientific way, and that's how they actually cut out the opportunity of making mistakes. And there are also Vedic ways of checking the results on their own. So that way you have basically best of both worlds, both doing the mathematical operations in a very shortcut way as well as checking the results in a shortcut way. So this is basically what Vedic math will do for all the audience who are watching this video. Thank you. Is that okay? What I'd like to do now is to show you a small example of how this Vedic math principle works in actual examples, in working out some, for example, multiplication. And then you will see how powerful Vedic maths can be for children to learn. For example, let's say you are trying to multiply 97 by 93. Now the general multiplication will obviously take a couple of steps. For example, you multiply 97 by 3 first, and then you shift one place and then multiply by 9 and then add. So I've got at least 3 steps involved to do it. Vedic maths, very much simple. All we do is we first of all find the base of the number 97, which is in this case 100, and then we take away the number from 100, so it gives me 0.3. And this is, don't forget, it's a multiplication process we are trying to do. So the same thing applies to number 93, which is 7 away from the base 100. Okay. So instead of having to multiply 97 and 93, we have reduced it to multiply a much simpler number, which is here 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 is 21, multiplication obviously. And the other part of the answer is given by either 93 minus 0.3 or 97 minus 0.7, which both gives me 90. So the answer is 9021. So this is one example of how quickly Vedic maths can be used to do multiplication. Thank you. Actually, it's the beginning whereby we could have done the